Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix control panel is restricted on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable your control panel or if you want to fix control panel is restricted on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. What you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this register editor, right click on that, then click on run as administrator. In this you can see SE current user, double click and expand. After that you will find software, double click and expand the software. After that Microsoft, double click and expand. After that you have to find Windows, double click and expand. After that current version, you can see here current version, double click and expand. After current version you need to find policies, scroll down, double click and expand. After this policy you will find another folder, Explorer. You have to just click on that, single click and come to the right side. Here you will find no control panel. What you have to do, you have to just open that no control panel file, double click on that and set the value data to 0, then click on OK, then close this window, open the task manager and restart your file explorer. You will find here your Windows Explorer, right click on that, then click on restart. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix control panel is restricted on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.